Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This guy's your host, Bill Miller. Today I'm very excited. We are doing a CGC comic book auction unboxing. There are quite a few books, so I'll probably break this up into two videos. It's a mystery unboxing of sorts because I really don't know what books are in here. So we'll be able to find out together. Here is a look at the box. All right. It's a big one. All right, and we've got our trusty box cutter. So I'm gonna open this guy up. Okay. As we can see, lots of bubble wrap. All right, looks like we got about 20 books, so we'll do 10 in each video. And starting out, I don't know what one this is, so you get to see it first. Oh, nice. We've got Savage Tales #2 from Marvel Comics, October of 1973. Red Nails adaptation begins. Robert E. Howard biography, previously unpublished, rights and art. Roy Thomas story, John Buscema cover, Windsor Smith, Williamson, and Bruner art. This is a CGC 9.2 with white pages. That's a beauty. Love it. On the back, got our homies from LaSalle University trying to get us started in a trade. Just a beautiful cover. All right, we're off to a good start. And I collect Savage Tales, so that one's staying with me. Okay, I'm going to try and keep doing this where I don't see it before you see it. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, The Walking Dead #22 from Image Comics, October of '05. Robert Kirkman story, Charlie Adlard art, Tony Moore cover. This is a CGC 9.6 with, of course, white pages. On the back, an advertisement for something. Long Hot Summer, whatever that is. Is that a comic book? Is that a book, a movie, video game? I don't know. So, The Walking Dead #22. This one either. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Either it'll go to my stepson or it'll be sold back into the community. Let's see what we got here. All right, we've got the dreaded green label. Tales of Suspense #79, Marvel Comics, July of '66. Piece cut out of page 8, slightly affects story, incomplete. This is a qualified 4.5 with off-white to white pages. Submariner and Red Skull appearance, Stan Lee story, Jack Kirby and Frank Giacoia art, Gene Colan and Jack Abel cover and art. This one was a value buy. I will be selling this at some point. And in case you're wondering, we're looking for people who like to draw. Says Norman Rockwell. So, TOS 79. All right. What we got here? Spectacular Spider-Man 161. Marvel Comics, February of 1990. Hobgoblin, Puma, and Mr. Fantastic appearance. Jerry Conway story, Sal Buscema cover and art. And this is a CGC 9.0 with off-white to white pages. Again, not one I'm collecting, so I will be selling this guy at some point. And if you didn't get enough of Double Dragon, we've got Double Dragon 2, The Revenge video game. So cool Spidey cover. We'll go with that. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, you ready? Let's do it. Oh boy. This one's definitely one I collect. Nice. Shogun Warriors #1. Marvel Comics, February of 1979. Herb Trimp cover and art. CGC 9.8 with white pages. Just a gorgeous cover and a wonderful read. Definitely not enough issues. I wish it would have lasted longer, but I really enjoyed it. On the back we have the Lego advertisement. So fantastic. Super excited about this one. Definitely going in the PC. All right. Let's see what we got here. Again, I'm not looking at these. You get to see them first. Oh yeah. This is one of my top 20 books for 2020. So this is Shanna the She-Devil #1. Marvel Comics, December of 1972. Origin and first appearance of Shanna. Carol Suling and Steve Gerber story. George Tuska and Vince Coletta art. Jim Steranko cover. This is a CGC 9.4 with white pages. Just a wonderful book. And if you thought I was happy before, now that I got my Shanna She-Devil, look who's smiling now, huh? This guy is. So wonderful. Very, very, very excited to have this one. All right. Next, we've got, boom. All right. Another one I'm collecting. This is ROM #8, Marvel Comics, July of 1980. Bill Mantlo story, Sal Buscema art, Michael Golden cover. And this is a 9.6 white pages. Much like Micronauts or Shogun Warriors. I thought ROM was an excellent series based on a Japanese toy line. On the back, we've got prizes or cash. A GE portable TV and walkie-talkies. I would have been good with either of those two. So ROM number 8. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. We've got Punisher number 1, Marvel Comics, July of 1987. Mike Baron's story, Klaus Janson cover and art. This is the CGC 9.6 with white pages. So I collect Punisher. I have this one. I don't know what grade it's in. So I'll compare the two. Keep the higher graded one and I'll sell the lower graded one. On the back, I don't know. Is that a book, I guess? Something's brewing in the land of Kryn. I don't know if that's a book or what. But very cool. Punisher number 1. All right. Next we have, bam. Oh boy. This is Power Man and Iron Fist number 53. Marvel Comics, October of 1978. Chris Claremont and Ed Hannigan story. Sal Buscema and Jim Mooney art. This is a CGC 9.2 with white pages. So I collect Hero for Hire, Luke Cage, but I don't collect Power Man and Iron Fist. So this one will be sold at some point. On the back, we've got some sweet ass gliders. So Power Man and Iron Fist 53, a value buy. And one more. Here we go. Boom. Oh boy. I collect Moon Knight. So let's see what we got. Moon Knight number 21. Marvel Comics, July of 1982. Doug Monk's story. Vicente Alcazar and John Tartaglione art. And Bill Sienkiewicz cover. This one's a 9.4 with white pages. Beautiful black cover. The yellow just pops on that bad boy. On the back, again, cash and prizes can be had. The cost, your soul. Oh, scratch that. Now you just need to sell something. All right. Moon Knight 21, 9.4. And that will do it for the comic books that we have for today. Stay tuned for number 2 in this quick series of CGC books. I hope you enjoyed seeing them, because I certainly enjoyed showing them to you. If you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.